Does a woman have to cover her foot when she prays or not? We all know this matter. It always comes up from time to time. Yeah, my brothers and sisters in Islam, or more specifically my sisters in Islam, listen and pay attention to what I'll say about this matter. And I'll say it once and I won't repeat it. يعني الجمهور, the majority of ulama, say that the entire body of a woman must be covered when she prays except her face and hands. So that means the majority opinion is that the foot must be covered. That's number one. Number two, which now gets serious, المذهب المالكية, مذهب المالكية, the Maliki madhab, and الشافعي madhab, two giants of Islam, two big madhab in Islam, they said, their opinion is that if a woman prayed with her foot uncovered, then her prayer is invalid. Al-Malikiyah said that if she is still within the time of salat, she must repeat her prayer while her foot is covered. Well, Imam al-Shafi'i also said the same thing. Yani, what I want to say now is, and I'm not here to debate the matter. Wallahi, I'm not here to debate the matter. I know there are opinions in where it is fine and no problems. A woman can pray with her foot uncovered, and that it does not invalidate her prayer, and her prayer is correct. But I want to say this. We all know that the first matter that is questioned on the Day of Judgment is as-salat. Since you know it's the first matter questioned, and that the safest opinion is to cover your foot, it only takes 2-3 seconds to wear a socks, then why? Why do you keep asking this question and avoiding this matter? Put your socks on and pray with peace. Right? I just wanted to mention this as a side point. If we know that the salat is the first thing that is questioned on the Day of Judgment, just go and pray correctly and just avoid the difference of opinion. Even though we respect the difference of opinion. And if a woman that is listening to me now has studied a Sharia and her teacher has taught her that it is fine and it's permissible to pray without the foot being covered, and if that's what you learn and your prayer is correct and it's not invalid, I respect that. No problems. Continue. If this is what you believe, continue. No issue. But I'm just saying, the safer opinion, the safer opinion is cover, since the salat is the first thing that is questioned. And add to that, two great imams in Islam mentioned that the prayer is invalid if the foot is uncovered. Allahu Akbar.